Hello everyone, welcome to all Commerce Point. In this video, I am going to discuss about custom laws, what are the custom laws, custom duties and how it is applicable, levied and collected. So let's start. What is custom duty? Custom duty is an indirect tax levied on import and export. It means goods and services which is subject to export outside India or subject to import inside India is applicable on custom duties. As far as law is concerned of the custom duties has two laws, Custom Act 1962 and Custom Tariff Act 1975. Custom Act 1962 specify that how the custom duty will be levied and collected. On the other side, Custom Tariff Act 1975 specify the rate of custom duties. So these two acts are applicable on the customs. Custom Act applicable on vessel, aircraft and vehicle. It means the means of transport of goods imported or exported are maybe vessel, water, maybe aircraft by air or maybe vehicle by ground. So the rule on the custom act is as mentioned in 1962 will be applicable for all. Before the Custom Act 1962, there were different act and different rules were made vessel, aircraft or vehicle. Custom Act not only regulate but also protect of domestic industry. It means Custom Act protect domestic industries. For example, if the imported item is cheaper than the manufactured item which is manufactured in India, this will be destroyed the Indian industry. So the Custom Act levied the safeguard duty on the goods so that the price can be regulated as the goods are manufactured in India. Prevention of smuggling means it also prevention of smuggling which is export or import from outside the India or into the India. Conservation and augmentation of foreign exchange. It also conservates and augmentation of the foreign exchange. Type of custom duties. There are different type of custom duties like basic custom duty known as BCD, countervailing duty known as CVD, special additional duty known as SAD, social welfare surcharge, safeguard duties. These type of duties are in custom, but as new GST era, CVD and SAD has been submerged in GST. So, as far as new rule is concerned, the basic custom duties, social welfare surcharge and safeguard duties prevail. But in some goods and service like petroleum, human consumption, liquor is continue also subjected to the CVD and SAD. Basic custom duty. Basic custom duties levied as a percentage of value as determined under section 14(1). It means BCD is levied in percentage. General rate of BCD is 10%. It could be levied at standard rate or preferential rate may be specified by the government. There are some goods and services which are specified the government of India for the rate of BCD. It may be increased or decreased from 10%, but maximum goods and services are under the 10% of BCD. Onus is on owner to situate it with the supporting evidence that the goods are chargeable with the preferential rate of duty. It means that it is responsibility of owner the goods which are preferential rate to show the evidence for the charge of custom duties. Countervailing duty, known as CVD. As mentioned, CVD, it is equivalent amount of excise duty. So what is excise duty? Excise duty is levied on the manufactured goods in India. It means the goods which is manufactured is subjected to the excise duty, and the goods which are imported to the India is subjected to the CVD, which is equivalent to the excise duty. Under the GST regime, this is subsumed under the GST or IGST as assessable value. So, as I mentioned, the only BCD is applicable under the GST regime. CVD has been subsumed under GST or IGST. But in case of the human consumption liquor is imported into India, is the same excise duty because of the liquor is outside from GST, so it is continuing as a excise duty. Next is CVD, correction SAD, called as special additional duties. It is used to offset the sales tax oblique VAT. It means when sales tax or VAT is imposed or levied by the government, same time the SAD is levied on the imported or exported item. Now it has been subsumed under GST and such is levied only imported good for which is not applicable. It means it has been subsumed under GST or IGST, but some item as I discussed in CVD like the petroleum, human consumption liquor are continuing under the SAD or CVD. The good imported into India are now subjected to the IGST and not CVD oblique SAD. So the SAD and CVD has been removed and IGST is levied. IGST is now assessable value plus custom duty, and now IGST is levied on the assessable value and basic custom duties. This is a slide which show the how to calculate the custom duties. So when the item or goods or services are in the premises of factory, this price or called ex factory price. In this slide, ex factory price is shown the 5,000 rupees. When the goods are loaded and transferred to the port, the cost of transport is called as cost of transport, and when the cost of transport include the ex factory price, it became FAS price, and in this slide FAS price became 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. After the unloading on board, the goods are again loaded into vessel, and it is also again loading charge. When the loading charge plus FAS charge will be merged, it is called the FOB price. In this case, FOB price is 7,000 rupees. Cost of insurance and freight means when the vessel transported from one port to another port, it have insurance plus में freight. So the both are subjected to the limits. Maximum limit of the freight is 20% of FOB and insurance is 1.25% of FOB value. In this case, the 500 rupees is cost of insurance and rate. In short, we can say CIF value. All these value when we include, it became the assessable value. So finally, in assessable value, there are include ex factory price, cost of transport, loading charges plus CIF value. On the assessable value, the basic custom duty, in this case basic custom duty is 10%. So as 7,500, if we include the basic correction custom duty, it will become 705, correction 750. Social welfare surcharge 10% on BCD, it became total 8325. Now on the whole value, the IGST 20% will be applicable. So finally value of the good will be 9990. So these type of the custom duty imposed when the good are imported into India or subjected to the exported outside the India. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.